How's it going, everyone? Rick here with DRT Motorsports. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for seeing it in. If you've been with us for a while, you know what's going to happen next. We're going to be installing a brand new part. We have here the DRT Motorsports front bumper. Now, this fits our Segway builder. The quality from DRT Motorsports when it comes to bumpers or tronics or any of their parts, it's really nice. Really nice. They did a nice job of welding it all out. It's all contoured round. It's powder coated in this texture black, and you have these nice mesh inserts in their logo. They're all going to come raw like this, the inserts. You have the opportunity to color match into your build, paint or powder coat. It has the provisions for our winch. Our factory Segway billing came equipped with a winch, so it's going to pop back in here. It came with the winch mount and vacuum plate, which was really nice. All corners included. So that takes care of the front bumper we're going to be putting on, and since we have to pull the grill off, we're going to go ahead and replace it with the DRT Motorsports front grill. Now it comes raw as well. I've already painted this one white, and I think it looks dope. Pretty stoked on it. It's going to have this nice white black contour. Got a vibe of them with their building, so I think it's going to look really good. It's going to offer just a little bit more protection. We also got what looks to be a couple holes here for lighting, so that's definitely a big win. If you're looking to put some lights up front and down low, the DRT Bumper handle that for you. Yes, up on the website at utsource.com, we have a ton of bumpers available for all makes and models. Check it out on the website, and also visit the gallery and kind of scroll through there and see all the builds we've done and the parts we've got up. There's a lot of leaks still there. And I'm going to encourage you guys to sign in for the VIP with utsource.com. It's legit. Thank you later. But for now, we need to get into this, and that's going to require removing everything up front. So let's just get started.
So go ahead and remove your grill. We're going to be reusing some of the factory hardware. There it is. That's the factory grill. So once the grill's removed, it's going to allow us access into the bracket that we need to take off. It looks like the winch is going to come with it, so it's all just going to come out, and we're going to remount everything. And I do have the battery disconnected already. Going to go ahead and put my knee under there to support it. There we go. Kind of pick up and rotate up and out. Now that we've got it off, what we're gonna do is install the base plate first. We've got our DRT plate. I've kind of lined it up. It sits in there like this. We need to get our winch onto this plate. So in order to do that, it's 4 bolts. We're just gonna pop those out. There it is. So now we need to remove our Fairlead right here. There we go. Pin, pop that off. There we go. And that'll slide through now. So now we just need to pop this up. Boom. So we're gonna snake this out. This is just an SOS pad, Scotch-Brite pad. I use these for prepping, cleaning up, kind of rebrushes everything, makes it look nice. So I am gonna have to rotate this and set it in there just like that. Okay, now that all the hardware's installed, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it down. Now I didn't run Loctite or anything, it has lock washers. Now that the plate's on, we can actually mount this back on our Segway. So I gathered up our hardware. I'm gonna put those guys back in, finger tight, but I don't wanna tighten up anything until our bumper's back on. We're gonna install the bumper. I love the finish on it, all like the curves and the bends. It just kind of flows with everything. We are running a winch. If you don't have a winch in yours, you can leave this block off plate on. I've got to pull this plate off. We're going to pull our winch line through, set that up on top, get a couple threads going. The next step would be to mount our factory Fairlead, but it doesn't fit. The holes don't line up. I didn't read down the item description, and at the very bottom of the description on the website, it says sold separately. I didn't order the DRT Fairlead. I'm gonna give you guys the link to that in this video. I'm gonna need to order that. And I'm not even embarrassed, guys. Like, it happens to everyone, right? You gotta read the item description, and I jumped ahead of myself and I didn't, so that's on me. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do because I'm not gonna let it ruin my day, is I'm gonna reinstall this so I have everything here ready to go when I do get the Fairlead. That would end this video, but we're not done. Remember, we removed the factory grill. Now you're gonna notice the hole pattern and size. So the factory grill is gonna allow rocks, debris come in and possibly damage our radiator, where the honeycomb hole pattern, larger debris is not gonna be allowed past the grill like it would on the factory grill. So this is a great upgrade, and that's gonna bolt right into the factory bolt holes. That's it, that looks good. DRT does a really good job on their layout. They were able to get this bumper in nice and tight and take away some of the overhang. So we have a steeper approach angle now, which I'm really stoked on. The front bumper is probably 3 or 4 inches back in from our tires, so that's gonna allow us to crawl up things really easy. It's really, really clean too. I mean, look at the bends on this thing. It's very well done. Comes in a nice crinkle-coated black finish. All the inserts are going to be raw. This adds a lot of protection, more airflow. Now the one thing that you guys saw in this video is I screwed up, you know, and I was gonna stop the video and wait, but I thought about it and it's not fair to you guys. And it happened to me, so it's probably gonna happen to some of our customers. You know, it definitely sucks. Just don't let it happen to you guys. Make sure you read the item description on every checkout you do on the website at utvsource.com. Don't put yourself in this position. I will be honest, it's going to happen, and it's not just on bumpers. There are a lot of things that we go to install, and sometimes the parts that we were going to put on that part no longer fits, or the hole pattern's off just enough that's gonna have us go back on the website to purchase the part that we do need. It is what it is, but it looks dope. I hope you guys like this video. You know, we try to go about it in a manner that you do at home, in your garage, at home, on the ground, you know, just kind of working like you would at home. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our page, guys. Get involved with us at UTV Source on Instagram. Shoot us a DM of your ride or a video that you made. We're gonna tag you and repost you. It's a lot of fun. On that note, guys, we'll see you on the next video. And remember, life's a ride. Make it your own.